Bashim Yahuwah Elohim Rahumoch-ganun. Greetings in the name of Christ Jesus. How to pronounce the Bible books? Let me help you. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1st Samuel, 2nd Samuel, 1st Kings, 2nd Kings, 1st Chronicles, 2nd Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Hezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. A presentation of New Jerusalem Church. Amen. May Yahweh bless you. यीशु जिंदा है, शैतान शर्मिंदा है.